Bing bang. I got the ultimate cookie. This time. Yeah, look at that. It melted a little bit, but it ain't falling. I got the ultimate cookie. Let's try it. First one. That dog. That's good, dog. That is delicious, brother. Let's do one more. That is smooth. That's smooth, bro. Yeah. Thing is, it got that chocolatey feel to it, but the Nutter Butter. So, backstory: it has Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies, Oreo cookies, and Nutter Butter cookies. That's why it's called the ultimate cookie. You can taste the peanut butter from the Nutter Butter, but it's not overwhelmingly peanut. It's like no one outdoes the other one. It's not heavily Oreo flavor, not heavy peanut butter flavor, not heavy like cookies like chocolate chip flavor, but it's good, like it's balanced. You see what I'm saying? That's the first chocolate chip I think I tasted, like for real, for real. It's not too heavy on either flavor, but it meshes good, dog. Dress them on my shirt. Bro, this is solid. This is solid. It's only my second Blizzard ever in life. Bro, I ain't gonna say it got me hooked, but this thing is smooth. It's good. I want to that straight up Oreo talking about, like it's just Oreo. This is smooth. I rate this. It's chocolatey, it's crunchy, of course, from the cookies. That ice cream is rich, it's creamy. It's delicious. 9 out of 10. Easy. 9 out of 10. It's delicious. Definitely, totally recommend. Last one I had was the frosted sugar cookie. Frosted animal cracker. Frosted animal cracker. It was good. But this one, I like the cookie thing, DQ. Good shiz. I like the cookie thing. Last time I had the frosted animal cracker cookies. Now I got Oreo cookie, Nutter Butter cookie, Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies. It's delicious. Alright. Get this. 9 out of 10. Get it. Appreciate y'all for watching. Have a great day. Shalom. Shalom.